Hey there, kitchen connoisseurs. Today, we've got a bubbling mystery to solve, the secret to silencing your noisy Bosch dishwasher. If you've ever been serenaded by a cacophony of clanging, clattering, and churning every time you run a cycle, you're not alone. But fear not, because we're diving into the depths of dishwasher diagnostics to bring you peace and quiet. Before we dive into the sudsy details, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more kitchen wisdom. Alright, let's get to the bottom of this dishwasher dilemma. First things first, let's talk about the common culprits that might be causing your Bosch to behave like a rock band's drum solo. One of the main offenders, loose dishes. Yep, those robed plates and cups clanking against each other can make quite the ruckus. Make sure everything is snug and secure to minimize the noise. Next up, let's check on those spray arms. Sometimes they can get stuck or obstructed by stray utensils or small dishes that have wandered off the reservation. Give them a spin literally to ensure they're free to move without any obstructions. Now, let's not forget about the dishwasher racks themselves. Over time, they can become misaligned or worn out, causing them to rattle during a cycle. Adjust them back into place and voila, instant noise reduction. But wait, there's more! Have you checked the filter lately? A clogged filter can cause your dishwasher to sound like it's struggling to breathe. Give it a good rinse, and you might just find that your dishwasher hums a more harmonious tune. For those of you with a Bosch dishwasher, there's a little secret weapon you might not know about, the silence program. This feature is designed to operate at a whisper quiet level. Perfect for those late-night dishwashing sessions when you don't want to wake the household. Simply select it on your control panel and let the magic happen. If your dishwasher is still belting out a symphony of sounds, it might be time to check the insulation. The soundproofing material around the dishwasher can degrade over time, leading to more noise. Consider replacing it, and you might just hear a significant difference. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your dishwasher running smoothly and quietly. Check for any loose screws, tighten up any wobbly parts, and give the whole unit a once-over every few months. And there you have it, folks, the secret to silencing your noisy Bosch dishwasher. With these tips, you'll be able to enjoy the sweet sound of silence, or at least a much quieter kitchen. Thanks for sticking with me through this dishwasher detective work. If you've got any more tips or tricks for taming noisy appliances, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat on Press to Cook. Until next time, keep those kitchens cooking and those dishwashers quiet.